In this video, I will show you how to leverage the power of Claude and Apollo together to build highly targeted lead lists in just a few seconds. If you have been manually filtering through databases, you know how time-consuming it can be to find the perfect prospect. By connecting your Apollo account via the official integration, you can use natural language to search their massive database without clicking through dozens of filters. Once your account is connected, the magic happens within the chat interface. You simply need to provide a clear and specific prompt. Start by telling the AI to look into your Apollo account. From there, you want to define your ideal customer profile with precision. For example, you might ask Claude to find prospects with job titles like Chief Information Security Officer or Head of Security who work at fintech or banking companies within the United States. To make the list even higher quality, you should include specific firmographic data. Ask the AI to filter for companies that have between 200 and 1,000 employees. You can even add intent signals, such as targeting companies that are actively hiring for security roles or those that have recently received funding. Finally, ask the system to display the top 25 matches in a clean table format. This allows you to review the data instantly and export it to your sales workflow. It is a massive time saver that ensures your outreach is always relevant and timely. Thank you for watching this guide, and I hope this helps you streamline your lead generation process today.